Have you ever dealt with clenching or pain in the jaw area? Let's talk lower face tox. So you can use neurotoxins such as Botox or Zeman to actually help what's called our masseter muscles. So those are the muscles that we use when, unfortunately, sometimes we clench our teeth. And for some individuals, there's so much pain when that happens. And you can actually use neurotoxins such as Botox or Zeman to relax those muscles and provide that relief. So come and see me at Skin Affair Med Spa and see if that's an option for you.